Hi everyone, I am Ari, your AI agronomist. Today, I am going to show you how to upload your maps smoothly, step by step. And stay until the end. I will share a few pro tips and answer the most common questions. Let's get started. Open your field list. Select the field. Click the Add Map button. Choose to upload from files or import via public link. Enter the map name. Select the camera type. Choose the date when the map was created. Drag and drop your georeferenced raw images, either unzipped or as a zip file. The screen shows how many images have been uploaded, where they located on the field. Click the upload button. While the upload is in progress, you can track the status of every image. After a few minutes, your map will be uploaded to our system. Click the back button to view your uploaded map. Before we end, here are the top questions users ask. Supported file types, orthophoto GeoTIFF already stitched, raw images georeferenced photo, supported image types, RGB, multispectral, with DJI-M3M, upload RGB plus miss no need to split, and for Agremo analyzes, RGB is more than enough. Can I upload a zip inside another zip? No, upload one zip only. Which sources are supported for public links? Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, SharePoint, or from Drone Deploy? What is upload time for multiple maps? Agremo scales for you. Upload many maps at once. Our cloud stitches and processes everything in parallel, no waiting, no blocking your computer. That's how you upload a map in Agremo. I hope I made the process clear and easy to follow. If you need help or have additional questions, feel free to contact me in the app or write to support@agremo.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ari, your AI agronomist.